Effects of technology on the environment. Student Laura Patricia Pinto Moreno. Course English B2, National Open and Distance University. Mr. Antonio Manuel de Oliveira Gutierrez and General Secretary, the Secretary General who has witnessed the suffering of the most vulnerable people on the planet. I know you are a person with a great social sensitivity and your mission is to ensure the welfare of the people in their relations with our planet. That is why I decided to express you my great concern about the environment impact that technological production has caused. Some years ago, when there was not so much technology, all kinds of activity were carried out at work and different why that the benefits of our economy and that now caused so many harmful effects on the environment. According to Sequeira, modern technological intervention drastically changed that plastic reality by putting nature at the service of men and susceptible to be radically altered. In this way, men began to have a relation of responsibility with nature, since it is under its power. Wherever, I think that this relation of responsibility why nature is not yet too close, especially on the part of large companies which are the wheels of the grid's environment damage in their search for economical benefits. Finally, I am aware that there is no reservoir in the damage that has been caused to the environment. What can be done is to promote a slowdown in mass technological production to stop the deterioration of our planet. I would love for you to promote that change. Strategies. Decrease the high production of products, increase the planting of trees that enhance nature, engaging companies wide care for nature. Sincerely, Laura Patricia Pinto Moreno. Thank you.